Ripple's business model. So really the price is going to come down to Blackrock ETF, supply shock, low amounts of XRP on the exchanges, and the volume moving from the OTC desk and the dark pools, because there's not any left there, onto the exchanges to push the price to a place where they can start using it. I believe it's the supply and demand dynamic that pushes the price into a range where it can start being used, and then once there's enough liquidity in the asset, that's when they start using it. And until then, like if they turned it on now, it wouldn't work because there's not enough liquidity in XRP. We're starting to see transactions on the network ramp up here, especially in the last couple weeks. We've seen that move up. So, and then with volume turning around today, we had a lot of buy orders in early on the ETFs this morning. I think it did like 5 million in the first 8 minutes or something, and then it kind of cooled off from there. So, the price is up today off the bottom. Do we have another swing lower? We could. I'm kind of with Blockchain Backer. Again, I'm not a TA guy. I watch him for the technical analysis. He thinks we could come back up and then waddle sideways and then do one more plunge before we see the upside in the market. Quite possible. Again, I don't have any short-term price predictions or anything. It's all predicated on global macroeconomic events and supply shock and all the things that we just discussed. So those are the things that are kind of still question marks in my mind on things that probably need to happen. Batch payments, be great if that was passed, but that's going to take a little while because they're going to have to update the network and then repropose a new amendment. And I'm excited for Borrow Lend and the pseudo accounts and the other stuff that are coming to the network here this year. I'd expect to see those put through at some point, either late Q1 or early Q2. Makes a lot of sense for some of the other things. I think